What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So today, like you can see my other videos, I am testing out the setup on the helmet and everything because I had a piece come in for the GoPro, so probably on one of the videos you'll be able to see what it is. But yeah, I'm gonna test out this new setup. Hopefully it's not too high up, too uneven. So at the same time I moved the mic. It's not pointing straight to my mouth. It's in the same spot but facing up, so hopefully it won't capture like the high-end like peaking noise of my voice, and hopefully it should be good. And all right guys, let's get on the road. Alright guys, so I just got off from work, like I said. So right now I have the visor closed on the helmet. Overall, for all the tests I've done, and hopefully this will be the last one, everything is gonna place in the right spot that I can see. Hopefully making too many videos of testing out the setup, it's not too boring for you guys. I'm just trying to set this up. At least I got some content to put up. So but yeah guys, so hopefully this is all good. Like I said, the audio, the mic is same spot. So, and then like I said before, in the garage, the GoPro has an attachment to it. Later on I'll do a review about it. It kind of clears up the helmet from extra attachments, so I'll show you guys soon. But let's see how the audio comes out. I believe on the streets it should come out pretty good. On the highway I know it's gonna come out kind of loud because of the wind, and the helmet, it's kind of airy. So overall you can hear rumble. So I tried to edit out that, but not too much, because if I do, my voice comes out kind of weird. But alright, so let's head out to the highway and see how the audio comes out. Well guys, if you like this kind of content, just like how to set up the GoPro mics, let me know. Give it a like, subscribe if you have not subscribed yet, hit the notification bell. It helps me a lot, and even YouTube will let me know that you guys like that kind of content. So alright guys, I'll see you on the highway. Alright guys, so on the highway in traffic. Hopefully everything comes out okay. Like I said, the helmet's kind of airy, so I don't know if I'm gonna be able to edit out the how rumbly the noise is gonna be on the helmet. I try to pad it as much as I can. The mic is not getting clipped by the wind. The only thing is getting clipped is by my voice, by the high end. I can hear when I'm editing the videos. It's kind of clipping on the, like, I don't know, like certain frequencies of my voice. But I don't know, at the same time I might be my headphones, so we'll see. But overall, slowly but surely I am improving the quality of the channel. Getting, like I said, one of the other videos I've done, you'll be able to see me as a second person with another camera, with a GoPro. So I'll put it up right here. and hopefully you guys like that kind of content, showing two kind of views. But alright guys, let's head back onto the road and see the audio how it comes out. Usually around this area there's always these bumps, imperfections of the road. But yeah. Overall, from what I can hear, I literally hear a lot of rumbling noise from the wind. So another bump. But yeah, like I said, helmet really airy. So from what I can hear, you guys will be able to hear this too in my helmet. I've done research too. I've went back on my older videos. Even my old helmet did the same thing. So I don't know how the other motor riders vlog with the mic and helmets. I'm trying to get good audio, but I don't know. From what I can hear, it might be just a helmet, or I might just need to get a different kind of recorder. Like the other videos that I've done, is I've tested out an external, an external recorder, but I've not tested it out with this mic, with the purple Panda. I'll probably do another test, just audio, just for myself. I'm not gonna kind of post it up on the channel. We're just trying to see if I can get a good audio from this mic and with the external one. Alright guys, so there goes the highway test. So we'll see how that comes out when I'm editing. If it comes out okay, and I'll post it up with the rest of the other videos with the test and setup. But alright guys, it's coming to the end of the video. If you gotten to this point, thank you. Subscribe if you've not subscribed yet. Hit the notification bell if you want to see more kind of content of helmet setup. And I have another video planned out. I don't see that kind of videos out yet, so it might be a good idea, but we'll see. I have something in mind for a content just for probably over the winter. So alright guys, thanks for watching.